today I'm going to show you how to achieve the Island Boho Jumbo Twist. And usually I start parting my head from one side of the ear through to the other side of the ear. If you're here for the first time and you like what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and if you're here for the first time, you are welcome. Thereafter, I put away that part which I'm not going to work with a rubber band. Then I proceed with my rat tail comb to make a middle part. I do a middle part with my rat tail comb, and I put away that section which I'm not going to work with my rubber band, so it makes my work easier and less complicated. Make sure you watch through till 2 minutes 10. That is the most important part, where I'm going to show you how to grip your hair and be able to braid this twist in a very, very flawless manner. I realized in the course of recording that my storage space was running out, so I decided to do this process as slowly as possible. You just have to repeat the same process I'm doing at this section of my head on the entire head. So watch keenly, look at what I'm doing, and it's as simple as that. It might not be as simple, but feel free to repeat this part of the video over and over so you can get it, so you can apply it to the rest part of your head for the other parts which I was not able to record through because of lack of storage. Don't forget to check out my hair page on Instagram at zhairclub, where you're going to find so many inspirational hairstyles, and as well my personal Instagram page at Zora Styling, where I do a combination of both my personal hairstyles and fashion as well.